Start your morning right. Healthy living tips for people with diabetes over 60. Imagine a fresh morning. The sunlight is streaming through the window. You have just woken up after a good night's sleep. But instead of feeling comfortable, you feel tired, dizzy, and something is wrong with your body. When you check your blood sugar, a number appears that makes you worried, higher than the allowed level. You start to wonder, what did I eat wrong? Did I skip a meal? Or simply, was my breakfast not good enough? In fact, breakfast is not just the first meal of the day, but the golden key that determines blood sugar, energy, and even mood throughout the morning. Especially for people over 60 years old, living with diabetes, choosing the right food in the morning can be the difference between a stable day and a turbulent day. But among the hundreds of options out there, bread, sticky rice, pho, porridge, cereal, juice, which is the blood sugar-friendly breakfast that you really need? In this article, we will explore 10 breakfast foods that experts recommend every day for older diabetics, options that are not only good for your health but also delicious, easy to prepare, and extremely practical for daily life. Let's start the journey of changing your breakfast not only to better control your blood sugar but also to feel light and healthy every morning when you wake up. 1. Whole oats, a sustained, blood sugar-friendly energy source. Why choose oats? Unlike processed breakfast cereals that are loaded with sugar and additives, whole oats, steel-cut oats or rolled oats are a great choice for people with diabetes. They contain beta-glucan, a soluble fiber that slows down the absorption of carbohydrates, thereby stabilizing blood sugar and reducing hunger quickly after eating. Oats also help reduce bad cholesterol, LDL, improve digestion, and even support weight loss, an important factor for people with type 2 diabetes. Easy to use every morning. Cook oatmeal with water or unsweetened nut milk, almond, soy. Add a little cinnamon, helps control blood sugar, a few slices of ripe banana or fresh strawberries to enhance the flavor. Avoid adding sugar, condensed milk or honey, use natural flavors from fruits. 2. Eggs, a compact superfood for a balanced breakfast. Why are eggs good for diabetics? Eggs are one of the foods rich in protein, low in carbohydrates, help you feel full for a long time, and do not cause sudden spikes in blood sugar. Many studies have shown that eating eggs in the morning helps improve blood sugar control and reduce cravings during the day. In addition, egg yolks also provide choline, a substance that supports brain and nerve function, which is extremely important for the elderly. How to prepare properly? Boil eggs and eat with a few slices of butter or raw vegetables. Make fried eggs with olive oil, add mushrooms and spinach. Avoid deep frying, do not use animal butter or sausages, processed cold cuts. Small note, people with high cholesterol can still eat eggs, but should limit to about 5 to 6 eggs a week and prioritize simple preparation. 3. Greek yogurt, healthy microflora, stable blood sugar. Why is Greek yogurt the ideal choice? Unlike regular yogurts that often have added sugar or artificial flavors, plain Greek yogurt is low in carbohydrates and very high in protein, making it extremely suitable for people with diabetes. In addition, it is rich in probiotics, beneficial bacteria for the gut, helping to improve digestion, strengthen the immune system, and support better sugar metabolism. A study on older adults showed that people who consumed naturally fermented yogurt every day had better blood sugar control than the group that did not consume it, even showing a clear improvement in HbA1c after 12 weeks. Smart ways to use it. Eat one box, 150-170 g, of unsweetened Greek yogurt in the morning. Add chia seeds, a little cinnamon, or a few slices of low-sugar fruits such as blueberries, strawberries, or kiwi. Can be made into a parfait, yogurt layer, fruit layer, nut layer, like walnuts, pumpkin seeds, unsweetened toasted oats. 4. Pure peanut butter, good fat, full for a long time, no need to worry about increasing sugar. Why should you eat pure peanut butter? Healthy fats, especially from nuts, can help slow down the absorption of sugar into the blood. Pure peanut butter, no added sugar, no added industrial oil, is a rich source of unsaturated fat, protein and fiber. This helps diabetics feel full for a long time, limits sweet cravings, and provides sustainable energy. Delicious and healthy ways to use. Spread 1 tablespoon of peanut butter on a slice of whole wheat bread or brown rice cake. Eat with 1 sliced apple, combining fiber and good fat. Add a small spoon to a bowl of oatmeal to increase fat, aroma, and keep you full longer. Be careful, avoid ready-made peanut butters sold in supermarkets labeled low-fat or sweetened, which often contain a lot of sugar or industrial oil. 5. Nuts, a natural source of energy that helps balance blood sugar. Why are nuts special for people with diabetes? Nuts such as almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, all contain healthy fats, protein and fiber, ingredients that help stabilize blood sugar levels, reduce the risk of stroke and cardiovascular disease for people with diabetes. A prominent study from Harvard shows that people who eat nuts regularly have more stable blood sugar levels, reducing the frequency of blood sugar spikes after meals compared to those who do not eat nuts. In particular, almonds help improve the HbA1c index, an important index to assess the level of diabetes control. How to use nuts effectively? Eat a handful of nuts every day. Can be eaten directly or added to yogurt, oatmeal, or salad. Chia seeds can be mixed with filtered water to drink, helping to lower blood sugar after meals and improve the digestive system. Make a smoothie from ground almonds with a little almond milk, a banana and ice cubes. Caution: although nuts are very good, due to their high calorie content, control your intake to avoid unwanted weight gain. You should only eat about 20-30 g per day, about a small handful. 6. Barley, a healthy carbohydrate source for diabetics. Why is barley a great choice for diabetics? Barley is an excellent source of complex carbohydrates with a low glycemic index, which helps maintain stable blood sugar levels. This food is rich in soluble fiber, especially beta-glucan, which helps control cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease, one of the common complications of diabetes. Beta-glucan also helps strengthen the immune system and improve digestive health. A 2020 study showed that people who ate barley instead of white rice or white pasta had lower blood sugar levels after meals and better diabetes control. How to use barley? Replace white rice in your daily meals with barley. Cook barley into porridge for breakfast with a little honey and fresh fruit. Make a barley salad with green vegetables, chia seeds, tomatoes and olive oil. Use barley as part of soups or stir-fries with chicken and vegetables. Note: although barley is good for diabetics, eating too much can lead to excess calories. Eat a moderate portion each day to ensure nutritional balance. 7. Leafy greens, superfoods for diabetes control. Why are leafy greens a good choice for people with diabetes? Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and parsley are not only a source of vitamins A, C, and K, but also contain a lot of fiber, which helps control blood sugar levels and improve digestive function. These vegetables all have a low glycemic index, which helps reduce the possibility of blood sugar spikes after meals. In addition, studies have shown that greens also help reduce inflammation, an important factor in the development of diabetes complications. How to use leafy greens effectively? Eat a green salad with olive oil and a little apple cider vinegar. Sauté kale with garlic and a little olive oil for a nutritious dish. Make a green smoothie with spinach, banana, and a little almond milk. Add greens to soups, stews, or stir-fries for a nutritional boost. Note: be careful about adding too many sugary condiments to your food, as this can spike your blood sugar levels. 8. Berries, nature's sweetest gift for diabetics. Why are berries an ideal choice for diabetics? Berries such as strawberries, blueberries, raspberries and blackberries are great choices for diabetics thanks to their high fiber content, antioxidants and low glycemic index. These fruits help slow down the digestion and absorption of sugar into the blood, keeping blood sugar levels stable. At the same time, they also provide vitamin C and anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants, which help reduce inflammation and protect cells from damage. Health benefits of berries. Reduce the risk of diabetes complications. Berries have the effect of reducing cell damage and helping control inflammation, one of the main causes of complications in diabetes. Improve cardiovascular function. Studies show that eating berries can help lower blood pressure and improve cardiovascular health, an important issue for diabetics. Aids in weight loss. Because they are low in calories and high in fiber, berries can help people with diabetes manage their weight, which is important for blood sugar control. How to use berries in your diet. Add berries to salads to boost flavor and nutrients. Make a berry smoothie with almond milk or plain yogurt for a quick and nutritious breakfast. Eat berries fresh or mix them with plain yogurt for a light dessert. Add berries to whole grains or oatmeal for a healthy breakfast. Note: although berries are great for people with diabetes, you need to eat them in moderation to avoid consuming too much sugar, even natural sugar from fruit. 9. Bread, a smart choice for diabetics. Can bread be a part of a diabetic diet? Bread is a staple food for many people, but for diabetics, choosing the right bread is important. In fact, not all types of bread are suitable for diabetics, as many regular breads have a high glycemic index, causing blood sugar levels to rise rapidly. Whole wheat bread, the best choice for diabetics. If you love bread, whole grain bread is the best choice. Bread made from whole wheat flour is high in fiber, which helps slow down the absorption of sugar into the blood. Fiber also aids digestion and helps control hunger, preventing overeating. Health benefits of whole wheat bread for diabetics. Control blood sugar levels. Thanks to the fiber, whole wheat bread helps reduce the sudden increase in blood sugar after meals. Improve heart health. Whole wheat bread is rich in omega-3 fatty acids and magnesium, which help reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease, which is important for diabetics. Aid digestion. The fiber in whole wheat bread supports the digestive system, helping to reduce constipation, a common problem in diabetics. Types of bread to avoid. White bread, made from refined flour. White bread has a very high glycemic index, which can cause blood sugar levels to rise rapidly. Bread with added sugar or preservatives. Bread with added sugar or preservatives should be avoided, as they not only increase blood sugar but also do not provide high nutritional value. How to use bread for diabetics. Replace white bread with whole wheat bread. Always choose whole wheat bread or bread made from seeds. Combine with protein-rich foods. You can combine whole wheat bread with protein-rich foods such as eggs, chicken breast, or natural peanut butter to reduce the sudden increase in blood sugar. Eat with vegetables and fruits. Add green vegetables and berries to bread to increase fiber and vitamins. Note: although whole wheat bread is a good choice, you should also eat it in moderation, because consuming too much carbohydrate from bread can still increase blood sugar if not controlled. 10. Green tea, a great drink for diabetics. Green tea, a source of antioxidants. Green tea is not only a delicious drink but also stands out with its great health benefits, especially for diabetics. Green tea contains catechins, a powerful group of antioxidants that help protect the body from harmful free radicals, improve metabolism and help regulate blood sugar levels. Green tea and blood sugar control. Some studies have shown that green tea can help reduce blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity, two very important factors in controlling diabetes. The catechins in green tea help reduce the absorption of sugar into the blood, reducing the risk of increased blood sugar after eating. Health benefits of green tea for diabetics. Improve insulin sensitivity. Green tea can help increase the body's ability to use insulin, thereby helping to reduce blood sugar levels. Boosting metabolism. Catechins in green tea can also help boost metabolism, support fat burning, and reduce the risk of obesity, a risk factor for diabetes. Antioxidants and cell protection. Antioxidants in green tea help protect cells in the body from free radical damage, reducing the risk of diabetes-related complications such as cardiovascular disease and kidney disease. Boosting the immune system. Green tea also helps strengthen the immune system, an important factor in maintaining the health of diabetics who are susceptible to infections. Green tea and reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease. An important factor for diabetics is reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease. Green tea can help reduce bad cholesterol, LDL, levels in the blood and improve the health of blood vessels. This is important because diabetics are at high risk of cardiovascular disease and stroke. How to use green tea in a diabetic diet. Drink green tea without sugar. To get the most out of green tea, drink green tea without adding sugar. Sugar can increase blood sugar levels, preventing you from achieving the desired diabetes control effect. Drink green tea in the morning or between meals. Green tea can be a great choice for breakfast or as a refreshing drink between meals, helping to improve digestion and reduce appetite. Add a little lemon. To enhance the flavor and add more vitamin C, you can add a little lemon to green tea. Vitamin C helps support the immune system and reduce inflammation. Note when drinking green tea. Although green tea has many health benefits, you should not abuse it. Consuming too much green tea, more than 5 cups a day, can affect the body because of the caffeine content in tea. Also, if you are taking diabetes medications, consult your doctor before adding green tea to your diet to avoid any drug interactions. Health is a long journey and every choice in your diet can make a big difference in your life, especially when you are dealing with diabetes. Foods like fruits, vegetables, green tea not only help you maintain your health but also support the treatment process effectively. Wishing you always maintain a healthy and energetic lifestyle. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Continue your health journey and always support the decisions that are good for your body. If you have any questions or share, please feel free to leave a comment. We are always ready to accompany you on this journey.